Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about something different. In the last video, we saw how to write clear API documentation. Now, let us see how API docs themselves can be used as marketing material. First thing to understand is this: Google search, and even new large language models like ChatGPT like fresh content. So, always refresh your documentation pages. For example, if there is an update starting August 2025, add that line at the top of your page. This keeps your documents relevant and keeps them ranking higher. Next, think of your API docs page as a landing page, because many times people will not come through your main website. They will directly land on your documentation page from Google. So you need to treat this page just like a blog post or a landing page that needs to rank. Follow all the normal search engine optimization rules. Use headings properly. Always ask yourself, if this was the only page someone saw, what would they need to know? Give them relevant links to go deeper into your product. Now, about heading structure. Headings should follow a strict hierarchy. That is, heading 1, then heading 2, under that, heading 3. You can even go to heading 4 if needed. Never skip levels. This is very important for search engines and also for screen readers. For usability, always have a sidebar and a table of contents. This way, people can click and jump to specific topics. It makes your documentation much easier to navigate. Also, always plug in support contact info. Put it at the very end of the page and also show it in the top header. So no matter where someone is, they know how to reach you. Now let us talk about the process. Do not try to make perfect docs on the first attempt. First, aim to deploy a minimum viable documentation. In other words, a version that is usable. Then keep iterating and improving again and again. Improve, improve, improve. How do you improve? There are lots of blogs that offer search engine optimization advice according to the latest Google rules. Copy those rules into ChatGPT and ask it to harshly evaluate your Markdown page. This way, you can find weak spots and fix them. Finally, one important security note. With recent attacks on the Node Package Manager, also called NPM, check if your documentation system, like Docusaurus or any other JavaScript project you are using, is affected. Always stay updated with security patches. So that is how you can think of API docs not only as a technical reference, but also as a marketing tool that brings in users. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.